how to unlock your Facebook account. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, open your preferred browser and then simply search for Facebook Help Center. Open your Facebook Help Center, and then what you will have to do is simply go to managing your account or search for unlock account, and here you will find several articles related to it. Simply select the one that is suitable for you. Go to your account is locked, and now what you will have to do is simply get a verification code in the email or your phone number that is linked with your account. If it is not working, check your internet connection. Sometimes it might be due to internet that your account might have been facing some issues. After that, you can also try restarting your phone, and then if not, simply contact your carrier to check your mobile plan and your problem should be fixed. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next